Mamon lang? Mamon. English, English. Naka-letter.
This versatile aircraft is used for many types of missions around the world, ranging from emergency medical evacuations and humanitarian relief efforts to frontline combat support. In fact, last year during Operation Tomodachi in Japan, members from this very crew airlifted life-saving humanitarian supplies and support personnel within just hours of the devastating tsunami. Timely airlift has allowed recent humanitarian operations in support of flooding in Thailand and Pakistan, destructive earthquakes in New Zealand, Chile, and Indonesia, a tsunami in Samoa, and many more. In today's flight demonstration, as we say goodbye, the aircraft formation will fly. Ladies and gentlemen, this will conclude today's demonstration of the C-17 Globemaster III and just some of its unique capabilities. On behalf of the men and women of the United States Air Force, Pacific Air Forces, and Joint Base Pearl Harbor, Hickam, Hawaii, we thank you for being with us today.
Thank you very much, Captain Brian Karen. Ladies and gentlemen, another big round of applause for the USA and Pacific Air Force's C-17 Aerial Demonstration Team. A warm welcome to the Singapore Airshow 2020.